So, I would like to present to you the three-dimensional shapes. But before that, let me introduce myself. By the way, my name is Janel O. Mantawel, so just call me Jan for short. Um, Here are the examples of three-dimensional shapes. So, at first, let's define what is a three-dimensional shape. So, a three-dimensional shape is are shapes that are take of space. So there are some features that are common, um, that are dimensional shapes. These features includes the faces, edges, and corners. So corners, we call that vertices here. So let's classify the three dimensionals into three, which is the first is the flat surface of the shapes are called faces, and the second is the edges of the three shapes are in the line, which is the edges. So when the two its surface are meet. Okay, the lastly is the corners. So corners are called vertices. So the corners where the two or more edges are meet. So that's the we can define. So there are three dimensions, which is the length, the length, and the width and the height. So first, I would like to present you the cube. So the cube is first. Let's count the faces of the cube. First faces. So let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six. So there are six faces in the cube. And the next is the edges. So it starts from the on the top. So one, two, three, four. Four on the top and the middle. One, two, three, four. So on the bottom. One, two, three, four. So let's count together. 4 plus 4 plus 4. It's 12 inches. Okay? Are you following me, guys? Okay, very good. So the lastly is the corners or the vertices. Okay, excuse me. So first, let's count on the top. One, two, three, four. There are four on the top, which is corners. From the bottom, one, two, three, four. So let's add 4 plus 4. There are 8 corners or vertices. Okay, are you following me, guys? Very good. And the second I would like to present you is the rectangular prism. So as you can see, this is music. This is a square, but if I correct this, this is rectangular prisms because the length and the width is different size, not same size. Okay. Okay, very good. So let's count the faces. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. On the bottom is 6. There are 6 faces. Got it? Okay, very good. The second is the edges. So let's count on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add together. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12 edges. Got it? Okay, very good. And the lastly is the corners. Okay, let's count on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add together. 4 plus 4, there are 8 corners, same as the cube. So there are same as faces, the corners and edges, but different on the side, the length, and the width. Okay, got it? Okay. So the third that I want to introduce you is the triangular prism. So first, let's count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 faces on the triangular prism. So the second is the edges. So first on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 edges on a triangular prism. Got it? So are you following me, guys? So very good. So lastly is the corners. So let's count. On the top, 1, 2. Remember, 2 on the top. Let's count on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add on the top and the bottom. 2 plus 4 equals 6 corners. So a triangular prisms have the 2 faces that are triangles, and there 3 are triangles here in the faces, and there are two triangle rectangles here. I get so sorry, I'm wrong. So there are 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rectangles. Okay. So the fourth that I introduce you is the pyramid prism. So first, let's count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bottom is 5. There are 5 faces on the pyramid prism. Now let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 edges on the pyramid prism. So lastly is the corners. So let's count. 1 on the top. So from the bottom, let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5 corners or vertices. Okay, are you following me, guys? And lastly, the hexagon prism has 2 bases. On the top, 1, and the bottom is 2. So The hexagon has a 6 squares. So let's count. Let's let me first here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 6 squares of hexagon prism. So let's count the edges. So let me first here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the middle of the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on the bottom, so let's do first here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's add together. So on the top has 6 edges. On the middle has 6 edges. On the bottom has 6 edges. A total of 18 edges. And lastly, our corners or vertices. So let first on the top. So let's count the corners or the vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a 6 on the top on the corners. On the bottom, let's count. Let me first here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's add together on the top. So on the top has 6 corners and the bottom has 6 corners. So let's add 6 plus 6 has 12 corners or vertices. So that's all. So thank you for watching. So I hope you will enjoy my presentation and have a nice day.